Went to tackle a damaged area. Look at that. Hitting the door in the bottom. Now the door is going to be hard to close due to the swelling. And got to be water damage. I'm not sure if water's getting in anywhere over here, or any of the tiles, or here, or because the door's closed. Very hard to see. But it's traveling all around. I got tools. I like to use this. Makes a nice cut. I got a right angle. I got an old 30+ year saw and marker. I don't want to remove the whole frame. I just want to delay the issues we're having. So I think my best alternative is to do the best to come here, this height right here, and mark it down. This is not the best tool to get in there, but lay it down flat. Draw my line. I'm going to just cut away the best I can. This is the faster cutting, sharper cutting for me. Got a nice cut, and I got water damage. This is wet. Wood's rotted for how many days in there? If I could do this and poke around, let me go get a flashlight for you. I'm not sure how far this goes in or where it's dripping at or the wetness, but that is a lot. I'm still going to cut in and see what I can do. I want to see if there's any damage, so I got this borescope. I'm not sure if I could get in there and do what I want. I got a nail right there, but at least I get to try to get in there and focus. I think I need to put my glasses on the borescope. This is not a project I want to work on or do, but it's something you have to do and do it the right way. And I cut out the bottom piece just in case. Now I do have to take this molding off. There is another piece of molding behind. I got to take off the ceiling area and then work on taking this whole discontinued, decommissioned panel that you can no longer get. It is old paneling. Just to get to look what's behind the area. And then go in that door there, from here to the back of the staircase room, and look. This may not be as damaged as you think, but It is time to take care of it. Am I going to be showing you the whole decommissioning? I don't know. I need to personally take care of it. And when I get all this off, then maybe I'll show you what's in there. It's time to clean up this area and figure out where I'm going to put it. Get that door going. Put everything over there. Never disrupt a person's schedule to get your job done. We siliconed all the way here, did our best to get a corner, and all the way outside and inside the best we can. all the way down. A little soap, a little water. Come over here and just finish off your edge. Doesn't stick to your fingers. We have to leave it this way and check every day. And sure enough, I don't think there's any moisture there. But we'll do our best to replace the wood.